Let's get ourselves connected. Gotta get yourself connected.
I want to take a look today at a Wacom tablet. This one's called the Bamboo Pen and Touch. And it's kind of cool because what they've done is they've taken a traditional tablet that you'd see used in businesses, small or large, where designers are using tablets to do graphics design and illustration. And they've combined that with a multi-touch touchpad so that you can navigate web pages and take notes at meetings and all sorts of interesting things like that. If I was a graphics designer, I would probably want to open up a graphics software. So here we've got Photoshop, for example. And the idea here is that all graphics designers and illustrators and anyone creative, it's more natural for them to use a pen versus a mouse. Because with a mouse, you're getting sort of cumbersome movements and hard to control inputs. With a pen, I get precise precision. So if I want to grab something like this graphic and I want to move it just a couple of inches, you know, maybe I find it looks good there, or I find it looks good here, and I quickly jump to a different part. Or if I want to adjust some of my layers, for example, I can do that quickly and effectively and with the most precision with a pen. So I can also use it to interact with web pages in any application in my computer. For example, if I go to, for example, this web page here, I use the button on the pad that's called the touch on and touch off button. The idea here is that when I have the touch off, I can only control it with my pen. When I turn the touch on, I have the ability to control it with my finger. And as I mentioned before, it's a multi-touch pad. So now I can use my finger, like a mouse, to do anything that I want between different applications, but I can also use the multi-touch feature, for example, to do things like zoom in on the page and zoom out on the page. If I was looking through photos, I could actually just flick through to change from photo to photo. I have the ability to do so many different things just with my finger, and it makes kind of sitting back and working with the computer a lot more ergonomic than crunched over using a keyboard or a mouse. And what I like about it is that it allows me to take my computer into a meeting and use it like a tablet PC. Let me show you what I mean by that. I can open up the Journal application that's built into the Microsoft operating system, and if I have a tablet attached, I can set up a meeting and take notes in it. For example, if you start giving me some things to record in our meeting, say we want to call John at 2 p.m., then I'd be able to record all of those notes into this meeting. It's a quick way for me to have everything written down and digitized. And if you can see here, before we started this, I wrote meeting in the top corner. Well, it actually will recognize my handwriting there. And if I go File and I say Save As, it'll save this as meeting. And I can say meeting on Thursday at 2 p.m. or whatever it is, and it'll save that document on my hard drive that way. So that when I want to recall those notes and see what it was that you told me to do, I can simply open up that file on my desktop and I'll see all of my handwritten notes. I can also choose to print these off as well and then store them in that way. I do like it. It combines the best of both worlds. It gives you that sort of graphics or creative ability to control things with precision, but it also gives you the ability to interact with your computer in an ergonomic way. You know, one thing I would probably like to see them do is offer different sizes in this particular model, because I did sort of yearn for a bigger touchpad. Other than that, it's pretty cool. It's called the Bamboo. It's by Wacom. Check it out.